my name is Bonnie Wilson from Dallas, Texas, and I'm a cocktail artist. Today I'm going to be showing you the Ruby Collins. We're going to start with either gin or vodka. Today I'm going to use vodka. We're going to do 1.5 ounces. Next, our cocktail artist Grenadine. We're also going to be using 3/4 ounce of our cocktail artist lemon juice. Next, we're going to go ahead and shake with ice to make it nice and cold. Have fun. Now that that's nice and cold, we're actually going to add 2 ounces of soda into the cocktail. And we're just going to strain our cocktail right on top. For the garnish, we're going to echo the flavors in the cocktail. So we're going to take a nice big lemon slice. And then we're going to take, for color, some nice fresh mint sprigs. We're actually going to give them a little bit of a pop, which kind of brings out the aroma. So here's the Ruby Collins, guys. Make sure you check us out at cocktail-artist.com for more fun recipes.